Looking for an electric bike that combines serious power, huge battery capacity, and all-terrain capability? Meet the Fafrees F20 X Max, a folding electric bike designed for riders who want to go farther and ride across almost any surface. At the heart of the F20 X Max is a 750-watt high-torque motor, delivering up to 980 watts of peak power and around 65 newton-meters of torque. That means plenty of power for climbing hills, accelerating from a stop, and handling rougher terrain. But the real star of this bike is the battery. The F20 X Max comes with a massive 48V 30Ah Samsung battery, using 21,700 cells and offering an impressive 1,440 watt-hours of capacity. According to the specifications, the bike can achieve up to 120 to 140 kilometers of range on a single charge, depending on riding conditions, rider weight, terrain, and assist level. For riders who worry about range anxiety, that's a major advantage. And despite the huge battery, the F20 X Max keeps its practical folding design. The folding frame makes it easier to store at home, transport in a suitable vehicle, or take along on longer trips. Then there are the 20x4.0 CST fat tires. These wide tires provide excellent traction and stability across sand, snow, mud, gravel, and city roads. They also help absorb smaller bumps and imperfections in the road. Comfort gets another boost from the bike's triple suspension system, with suspension at the front, rear, and seat post. So whether you're commuting through the city or exploring rougher trails, the suspension is designed to make longer rides more comfortable. Stopping power comes from front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, using 160mm rotors. That's an important feature when you're riding a heavier, high-powered e-bike, especially on hills or uneven terrain. The drivetrain uses a Shimano 7-speed system, giving you flexibility when climbing steep roads, cruising on flat terrain, or navigating stop-and-go traffic. There's also a large LCD display with a USB charging port, allowing you to monitor important riding information and charge your phone while you're on the move. And for practical everyday use, the F20 X Max comes with front and rear cargo racks. That makes it much more than just a recreational bike. You can carry groceries, camping equipment, work gear, or other supplies. So, who is the Fafrees F20 X Max for? It's a strong option for riders who prioritize range, power, comfort, cargo capacity, and all-terrain versatility. The combination of a 750-watt motor, enormous 30Ah battery, 4-inch fat tires, triple suspension, hydraulic brakes, and folding frame makes this a very feature-packed electric bike. Of course, its large battery and heavy-duty construction also mean this isn't a lightweight folding bike. It's built more like a compact electric adventure machine than a simple city commuter. Overall, the Fafrees F20 X Max is aimed at riders who want one e-bike that can handle daily commuting during the week and longer off-road adventures on the weekend. With its huge battery, powerful motor, fat tires, and practical cargo capacity, the F20 X Max is definitely a bike worth considering if long-distance riding and all-terrain performance are at the top of your list. And as always, check your local e-bike regulations before riding, especially regarding motor power, speed limits, throttle use, and where high-powered e-bikes are permitted.